Third question is find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to the x-axis and which passes through the point a minus 2 comma 1, b 1 comma 2 and c minus 1 comma 3. So it is given that this parabola is parallel to the x-axis. So equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is given by the equation x equal to ly square plus my plus n equals to 0. Take it as equation 1. Now all the 3 points a, b and c passes through this parabola. Okay, so a minus 2 comma 1 passes through equation 1. Okay, substitute in equation 1, we'll get the value. Okay, so the x equal to ly square plus my plus n, so it is minus 2 is equals to l into 1 square plus m into 1 plus n. So this is nothing but bringing this minus to that side, so it is l plus m plus n plus 2 equal to 0. Take it as equation 2. Now b 1 comma 2 also passes through 1. So again it is x equal to ly square plus my plus n. X value is 1. 1 is equals to l into 2 square plus m into 2 plus n. So it is 1 is equals to 4l plus 2m plus n. This can be written as 4l plus 2m plus n minus 1 equal to 0 as equation 3. We have to find all the coefficient values, right? L, m and n. Then we should substitute in equation 1. Okay. Next, the point C is minus 1 comma 3 also passes through 1. So we will get x equal to ly square plus my plus n. So it is minus 1 equal to l into 3 square plus m into 3 plus n. So it is minus 1 equal to 9l plus 3m plus n. Now shifting this minus 1 here, so it is 9l plus 3m plus n plus 1 equals to 0. Take it as equation 4. Now we should subtract 3 and 2. Okay, we'll subtract 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 also. Okay, so we can eliminate the n here. Okay, so third equation minus the second equation, so we'll get 4l plus 2m plus n minus 1 equals to 0, the third equation. Second equation was l plus m plus n plus 2 equal to 0. We are subtracting, so change the signs, so the n gets eliminated. 4l minus l will be 3l, and here 2 minus 1 is 1, so plus m, and this will become minus 3 equal to 0. Take it as equation 5. Now subtract 4 and 3. So it is fourth equation is 9l plus 3m plus n plus 1 equals 0, and equation 3 is 4l plus 2m plus n minus 1 equals 0. Changing the signs, again the n gets eliminated. 9 minus 4 will be 5l, and 3 minus 2 is 1. This is plus, okay, right? Minus, so it is plus. Plus 1 plus 1 will be plus 2 equal to 0 as equation 6, right? Now we'll solve 5 and 6. So m gets eliminated and we'll get the value of L here. Now subtract the fifth and the sixth equation, okay? So it is 3L plus M minus 3 equal to 0. 5L plus M plus 2 equal to 0. Changing the sign, so M gets cancelled. Minus 5L plus 3L is minus 2L. Minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5 equal to 0. So it is minus 2L is equals to plus 5L is equals to minus 5 by 2. We got the value of L. Now we will find the value of M. Substitute L is equals to minus 5 by 2 in equation 5. Okay. So the fifth equation was 3L plus M minus 3 equals 0. So the value of L is minus 5 by 2 plus M minus 3 equal to 0. 3 into 5 is minus 15 by 2 plus M minus 3 equal to 0. Taking the LCM here, we'll get minus 15 plus 2m minus 6 whole by 2 equals 0. So 2 into 0 becomes 0. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 plus 2m equal to 0. Now transposing 21 that side to the RHS. So 2m is equals to 21. M is equals to 21 by 2. We got the values of L and M. Now we'll find the value of N. Substitute L equal to minus 5 by 2, M is equals to 21 by 2 in equation 2. Equation 2 is L plus M plus N plus 2 equal to 0. So it is L value minus 5 by 2, M value 21 by 2 plus N plus 2 equal to 0. Taking LCM here, will get minus 5 plus 21 plus 2n plus 4 whole by 2 equals 0. So we'll get here 2n. 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 minus 5 will be plus 20 equals 0. So it is 2n is equals to minus 20. N is equals to minus 10. Now we got the values of L, M and N, right? Now we should substitute required parabola equation is x is equals to ly square plus my plus n equal to 0. So x equals to, so it is the value of L is minus 5 by 2y square and the value of M is 21 by 2y, n is minus 10 equals to 0. Taking the LCM, so it is minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20 whole by 2 equals 0. So x is equals to 2 multiplied here, so it is 2x minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20 equals 0. Transposing to the left hand side, so we'll get 5y square plus 2x minus 21y plus 20 equal to 0, the equation of parabola. Next question is, find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to the y-axis and which passes through the point a 4 comma 5, b minus 2 comma 11, c minus 4 comma 21. So this equation is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, so the given is equation, since the axis of parabola is parallel to y-axis, the equation of parabola will be y equal to lx square plus mx plus n equals to 0 as equation 1. This equation 1 passes through the points a 4 comma 5, b minus 2 comma 11 and c minus 4 comma 21. We'll substitute these points in this equation. So it is y is equal to lx square plus mx plus n equals 0, right? So substitute the first point 4 comma minus 5, the point A. So we'll get here 5 is equals to L 4 square plus m into 4 plus n, right? So this will become 5 equals to 16L plus 4m plus n. So this 5 is shifted here, so it is 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 equals to 0. Take it as equation 2. Now substitute the point B, which is minus 2 comma 11. So we'll get 11 is equals to L into minus 2 square plus m into minus 2 plus n. So it is 11 is equals to 4L minus 2m plus n. Shifting this 11 here, so it is 4L minus 2m plus n minus 11 equals to 0 as equation 3. Now substitute C minus 4 comma 21. We'll get 21 is equals to L into minus 4 square plus m into minus 4 plus n. So this is equals to 21 equal to 16L minus 4m plus n. So we can write it as 16L minus 4m plus n minus 21 equals to 0 as equation 4. Now we have to eliminate the n term, right? One variable we should eliminate. So we should subtract the equation 2 and 3. So we'll get 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 equals 0, and equation 3 is 4L minus 2m plus n minus 11 equals 0. Okay, so changing the sign, so it is minus and this plus minus plus, this gets eliminated. 16 minus 4 is 12L, and here it is plus 6m, and here it will be plus 6 equals to 0. Taking 6 common here, so we'll get 2L plus m plus 1 equals to 0. So our equation is 2L plus m plus 1 equals to 0 as equation 5. Now we should subtract the second and equation 2 minus equation 4. Okay, because okay, yeah, because here it is they are having the same coefficients, right? 2 and 4, these two equations have the same coefficient 16L, and here also it is 16L, n and n. So this n and 16L can be cancelled easily, so we are solving 2 and 4 equation. So it is 16L plus 4m plus n minus 5 equals to 0. 16L minus 4m plus n minus 21 equals to 0. Changing the sign, so it is minus plus minus plus. This 2 gets eliminated, so it is 8m plus 16 equal to 0. So 8m is equals to minus 16, m will be equal to minus 16 by 8, right? So minus 16 by 8 is nothing but minus 2. So the m value will be equal to minus 2. Now we can substitute this value of m as minus 2 in equation 5. So we'll get the value of L, right? Substitute m equal to minus 2 in equation 5. So equation 5 is 2L plus m plus 1 equals 0. So it is 2L minus 2 plus m 1 equal to 0. So it is 2L minus 1 equals to 0. 2L equals to 1. L equals to 1 by 2. Right? Now we got the values of m and L. Okay. Now we can substitute L equal to 1 by 2, m is equals to minus 2 in equation 3. Okay, our equation 3 is 4L minus 2m plus n minus 11 equals 0. So it is 4 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus n minus 11 equal to 0. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 2 plus 4 plus n minus 11 equals to 0. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus n minus 11 equals to 0. N minus 5 equals to 0. So n is equals to plus 5, right? Now we got the values of all the variables terms which we need to find L, M and N. Now required equation of parabola y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus n. So y is equal to the value of L is 1 by 2x square, the value of m is minus 2 into x and n is 5. Taking the LCM here, we'll get x square minus 4x plus 10 whole by 2, right? 2 multiplied with y, so it is 2y equal to x square minus 4x plus 10, right? Now, shifting this term here, so it is x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 equals to 0 is the required equation of parabola which is parallel to the y-axis. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.